How do birds defend territory? Have you ever wondered how birds manage to keep their homes safe from intruders? Birds defend their territories primarily to secure essential resources like food, nesting sites, and mates. This behavior is especially common during the breeding season when these resources are vital for raising young. The area a bird defends is known as its territory, which can vary from a small nest site to a larger home range that it uses daily. One of the primary methods birds use to defend their territory is through vocalizations. They produce loud and distinctive songs or calls to announce their presence. This serves as a warning to other birds to stay away. These vocal signals can travel long distances, acting as a first line of defense without physical confrontation. In addition to vocalizations, many birds employ visual displays to assert their claims. They might show off colorful feathers, puff up their plumage, flick their tails, or spread their wings. These visual cues are a way to communicate strength and readiness to defend their area. Physical patrolling is another strategy birds use. They often patrol the boundaries of their territory to reinforce their claim and detect any intruders early. This active presence helps maintain clear boundaries and signals to others that the area is occupied. If vocal and visual warnings are not enough, birds may resort to aggressive chasing. This direct confrontation can involve rapid flights and physical intimidation to drive away competitors. It is a way to ensure that their territory remains intact. Some species have specialized behaviors that further enhance their territorial defense. For example, woodpeckers and grouse may drum on trees to assert their presence. Others might build multiple nests within their territory to attract mates and assert dominance. Defending territory does come with costs. Birds expend energy and may risk injury during confrontations. Therefore, they typically defend only when the benefits, such as exclusive access to food or mates, outweigh these costs. Territories can be defended against both members of the same species and other species competing for similar resources. From a bird's perspective, defending territory is essential for survival and reproductive success. It ensures access to food, safe nesting sites, and mates while reducing risks from predators and disease by spacing out nests. Territorial behavior is a balance of signaling strength through song and display and, when necessary, physical defense to maintain control over valuable resources. This behavior is a fundamental aspect of bird ecology and social interaction during critical periods like breeding.